Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, my beloved brothers and sisters in Islam, so in our country, currently one incident happened, all of most of the people So, incident is disrespecting our holy Quran, our noble Quran. So, a student of North South University, journalist department, a student of Purvopal, 23 years old, he show in his Facebook post disrespecting Quran and hurting our religious sentiment. So this kind of incident, this kind of event, it's happen constantly. It's happen again and again. Frequently, we see most of the time this kind of situation we suffer. So I think we have to take some step to stop this kind of incident, this kind of event. So his act disrespecting the Quran, it's a heinous crime. It's greatest, it's massive crime. So we should immediately take some action against him, and we wanna establish exemplary punishment against him, and we wanna hanging him, because his action, it's absolutely injustice, and it's completely hurting the religion sentiment. So it's not allowed that you will hurt any religious sentiment. It's completely injustice. It's completely wrong. So Apurva Pal, they show through the disrespecting the Quran, he act heinous crime. So we wanna hang, and we wanna see exemplary punishment from our government, our interim government. I think he will take some step against him, and he establish exemplary punishment. It's our hope, it's our respect to interim government.